In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a drawio diagram into PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful workflow if you want to add clean, professional diagrams to your presentations without rebuilding them from scratch inside PowerPoint. Whether you're creating flowcharts, system diagrams, org charts, or process visuals, this method makes it fast and easy to move your work from draw.io into your slides. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the diagram you want to use in draw.io. Make sure the diagram is finished and looks exactly the way you want it to appear in your presentation, because once you export it, that image is what you'll be placing into PowerPoint. If needed, take a quick moment to zoom in, check alignment, and confirm that all text is readable and all shapes are properly arranged. Next, go to the top menu and click File, then choose Export As, and then select PNG or JPEG. In most cases, PNG is the better option because it usually gives you sharper quality and clearer text, especially if your diagram has a lot of labels, arrows, or fine details. JPEG can also work if you want a smaller file size, but PNG is generally the safer choice for presentation graphics. After that, save the file to a location on your computer that's easy to find. It helps to save it somewhere obvious, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder, so you can quickly access it in PowerPoint a moment later. If draw.io gives you export options such as resolution or transparency, choose the settings that best fit your slide. Higher resolution is usually better if you want the image to stay crisp when enlarged. Once your diagram is exported and saved, open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to place the diagram. This could be a blank slide or a slide that already contains other content. If your diagram is the main focus, using a clean slide layout often gives you the best visual result. Now go to Insert, then click Pictures. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may see an option to insert from this device or from your computer. Select the saved draw.io image file from your folders, and then click Insert. PowerPoint will place the diagram directly onto the slide as an image. From here, you can resize and position it however you like. Drag the corners to keep the proportions correct and move it into place so it fits neatly with your slide design. If the image appears too large or too small, just adjust it until it looks balanced on the page. You can also crop it slightly if needed, but usually a clean export from draw.io will fit nicely as is. And that's it. Your diagram is now added to the slide. This is one of the easiest ways to bring draw.io visuals into PowerPoint while keeping the process simple and reliable. It's perfect for business presentations, training decks, technical documentation, and project updates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.